Hello and welcome to Ninja Sauce. On today's video, we're gonna look at how you can create a purchase order. So first, you need to navigate to purchase and then add purchase. Then you need to select your supplier. And if you have any particular reference number, but that is not mandatory, all the mandatory fields have this asterisk sign with it. So that means that these fields need to be filled. So after that, you will select the status of your purchase. So it is recommended that you select received. Then you need to select the products. Okay, so let's for example take these two products. So for example, you need to select the quantity of the first product is like 22 pieces, so you need to type here 22, and the other product you got 25 pieces, so you will type 25. And if you want to add it any case cost or retail cost, you can do that here as well. Then all the other fields are as per your specific business needs. So if you have any shipping cost or if you have any delivery cost, so you can add on these fields as well. So after you're done, you need to hit save. Here you can see that our purchase invoice has been successfully saved. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a blessed day.